In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your font size in Discord. So basically it's pretty easy, and in the other video I will show you the most important step, so make sure that you will watch it until the end. So all we need is just to open our Discord and then just go to settings. So in the bottom of the app in the left corner find the user settings like this, and then just click on this button. After that our settings will be opened, and now all we need is just to scroll down to find app settings and go to appearance right up here. So after that, this is our appearance settings, and if we'll scroll down we can find these settings with chat font scaling. So as you can see, this is our basic number, but if we'll try to increase it, we can now scroll up and find the appearance how does it looks like. So if we'll scroll it back, we can see that our font was successfully changed his size. So guys, this is a way how you can change the font size in Discord. I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye.